In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that, and install free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!